Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use TurboTax to file W-2 documents online. So how do you do this? Of course, you need to be signed into your TurboTax account, which is pretty much your QuickBooks or your Intuit account. And once you are here, you want to click, before you click, look at your left-hand side. This is going to be the menu on your dashboard. By default, it's going to be on Tax Home. You want to click on Documents underneath it. And here you can have the opportunity to import, upload, or snap a photo of your tax document. So what you want to do is click on Add Tax Docs right here, and you have three options. You have the option to upload it. So these are Google Docs or PDF files. Snap a photo, which is just taking a photo, a good photo, of course, of your document, whatever document, paper document you have, or import forms from a financial account, right? The easiest way is going to be snapping a photo and then uploading, right? So choose either one from your PC or your mobile device and just take a photo of your W-2 or upload a PDF copy of your W-2. Click continue. It's very straightforward. After that, you'll be able to work through that on TurboTax. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.